Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer support in the Frontier Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Contact Us button. And then scroll down, and as you can see, there's a chat option that is 24/7 available. There's a WhatsApp contact as well as an email address, and there's a separate one for filing a complaint. So just choose the one that's the most optional for you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.